What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are changing the axle and wheel bearing on this 2012 Chevy Equinox. This is not a how-to video, this is more of a how I'm gonna hold my tempo video. I'm sure I'm gonna get aggravated a little bit, but once again, this is not a how-to video. So the first thing we gotta do is take off the front driver's side tile. I can tell that's the wood splitting or if that's the jack.
Back on it a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's alignment.
Why? You think we are doing this?
Yeah. Alright, got the tile off. So it's not a how-to video, but I guess it's kind of turning into one now. So we need to take this axle nut off, but I don't think we have the right size.
Let's find out.
I don't even know.
We can put it.
I think it's still on the bed of the truck. Nope. But off to our rallies. We are back with the right size. Alright, so this takes a 36 millimeter for the axle nut. I've done too many jobs with the ratchet and stress ball, so I own this. That would have took me at least 10 minutes before. Next, we need to take the brake calipers off, and then the rotor, then we'll go on from there. So there's two bolts on the back that we need to take off for the caliper, and looks like could be a 12 maybe. Yes. Gosh. Oh! Yeah. That didn't feel too hot. And FedEx is pulling up. Ow. That's probably gonna scar. Good night.
How's it going?
Good, how about you?
Bad. Wait signature.
Thank you much. Have a good one. You too. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. I gotta clean this up. Already getting scars on my hands. Sorry, Mom. Alright guys, we're going to do cutting the video here for a second because something came in the mail that I want to show you all. So this is going to be a separate video in itself, but I'll go ahead and show you in this video. Video description is advised. I'm going to be using a knife. Oh yeah, they're pretty. And it is two separate pieces. So, I got new LED headlights for the truck. Those are the bottom pieces. Little side pieces. And then for the big. Or not. There's the other ones. These look nice. That's gonna be a separate video in itself. I just wanted to show you all that real quick. And these, oh yeah, I might even try to dig into these today, who knows. But back to the video. This is not a half inch.
You got the wrong one, huh?
You handed me this one. I knew I was gonna have to go back down to the basement at some point. There's also something in the living room I'm gonna show you guys. There's a little stall head bolt right here that we need to take out, which I don't think we have a start here right now, do we? Back to the basement. All right, we're back. Hopefully a screwdriver with enough yeehaw strength can be able to get this out. Back to the basement. All right, we're back with the right one. Well, hot dang. It's stuck in there. I don't want to strip it.
In that gray box.
What? I'm chugging that. Yeah, if that thing gets stripped, oh, bad day. Thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have given me throughout the channel. Live streams, comments, subscribers. It is all under God's glory and authority as to how I'm growing. So I'm gonna thank you guys to the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much, and it really means a lot to me that those people out there who actually cares about my content. And on live streams, it was like, yeah, my sick sister recommended your channel to me, and she says that I make her laugh and all that. And that's all I want for to be a YouTuber, to spread the word of God out there and to make people laugh, make people have a good time, film what I love to do, because this is what I want to do for a living. I want to be a YouTuber. This is what I want to strive to be. This is more than anything I could ever imagine it to have been. When I first started YouTube up again, I was like, this probably ain't gonna go nowhere, but I still love to make videos. But now, thanks to God, glory be to Him, my channel is growing at a very good rate, gaining subscribers daily and meeting all of you guys. Thank you guys so much. I could never thank you all enough. You're making this little country boy's dream come true, so thank you all. I'm gonna try to make this video funny. We're just kind of not too happy at the moment because that bolt right there is the only thing stopping us from taking this off to get to the actual axle arm. And probably got a scar on my new knuckle. It's kind of nice. Felt great. All due consider. Like I said, got the headlights. I got something else inside the house I'm going to show you all later inside of the video. Backwoods may or may not be making an appearance in this video. Who knows? I don't know. I might be trying to do the headlights in this video too, because I don't know if this is going to be a possibility. So, I will get back to you guys when we figure something out. Well guys, we tried. Little complication, like one bolt gets in the way of everything. So I'm gonna put this back together, see if can't get those headlights in. And then next clip will be me inside showing you what else I have in the house, and then we'll go from there. As I said, next clip will be me and Hill showing you what I got for the truck this weekend. I'm having subwoofers installed into my truck. I'm not sponsored by any brand, but these are a Scar Auto dual 12-inch ported. They should kick off a lot of bass. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are outside. Gonna be taking a look at my headlights, see if I can't figure out how to do them. It's a shame about the Chevy Equinox, and I swear if there's one comment, inside this video is like, oh, Chevy sucks! Shut up. Problem is, I don't know which one's top or bottom, but just from looking right here, doesn't that just look better? Goes with the green and everything. All right, y'all, finally, I found what I needed. Just gonna take these top bolts off, see if we can't get to those, so I don't have to take all that apart, hopefully. But let's see. We gotta start from the beginning. All right, y'all, I hope I got everything I need. I'm about to watch a YouTube video on how to take this freaking grill off. Alright, y'all, so I didn't need to take those bolts out after all. Attention to take out these two bolts in the front here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah! That is clean, man. So far, it clicks in. Let's go. That's what I like to see. Yeah, I knew that was gonna be a problem. Why is this big bulky? Does somebody take that off? There you go. Don't need that. Oh my goodness. That was kind of spicy. Baby, we did it. Got one of them. Question is, where's the other one? There's one for that, there's the other. Alright, never mind. We are chilling, y'all. We are chilling, baby. We did it. I need some kind of light. I will be right back. Oh my, that looks spicy. Okay, question. Does that need to stay on? It's holding that. Let's see what goes in my head. I have an idea. Good night. See what it wants to. It's not quite lining up. So I can definitely get this one in just fine. Like, just fine. It fits right in like a glove. Let's go and unhook this one. Put the other one in. I need this big hunky dunky thing. I mean, I could use these for the new ones. Not a little nicer, I guess, and has a Phillips head. Good night. Well, don't need that. Oh! Those shadows in the sky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Alright y'all, cutting into the video. We're struggling a little bit. Kind of coming along nicely, but I'll just show you guys when it's like actually like finished, because there's nothing really funny or entertaining going on. So I will catch you all whenever it's done and on. Alright y'all, we're just getting these side panels in full, so just make it way easier to get the actual headlights in. Might as well clean my whole grill whilst I'm down here with the water, but yeah, once these all get done with the fancy looking ones, we're gonna put this back on the truck, put the headlights in, and we should be good to go. Alright? Alright y'all, we're almost finished. We got those in, sides in. The only thing we need is bulbs for these. Then we can put those in the bottom. But it's looking spicy. Ladies and gentlemen, it is complete. We already checked the lights. They all walk. But here's what they look like. Man. Look at that. It's like a brand new truck. I'm gonna do one more thing for the truck in this video. About to go out to the hardware store to get it. And then y'all, until some more things come in, my truck is almost completely done. I have to get the matching tail lights, probably order those when I get back home. Whew, it's pretty. All right, y'all, now we are putting a flag on the truck. I got one coming in the mail, but I got typically one I'm gonna be putting up now. But now it's gonna be drilling the flagpole to the bed. That ain't going nowhere. Final step, and then you go get the flag. All right, ladies and gentlemen, time to put the flag on. You may see this in the live streams. It's gonna go back up once I get to the new flag, but until then. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the flag is up. Jesus is king. Oh. Yeah, I mean, come on. I think I got a way too big a flag on the Amazon. See the headlights? What'd you think?
They look good.
The flag?
Are you still recording?
Yeah. You're not in it.
That looks good.
All right, y'all. Well, one of the last steps I have to do for the truck. I already got the subwoofers. Got to put them in. There's a few other odding in things I'm wanting to do this pretty thing. But guys, seeing that flag waving in the background is just wow. Anyways, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know there wasn't as many funny clips in there as I would usually do, but I still hope it's an entertaining video. I need to get another video out there. So, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Jesus is y'all. See ya.